Hi, Olivia. You found your tongue? Look at that tongue. Hey, don't stick your tongue out at me. Hey! Well, don't do that. Don't stick your tongue at me. That's not nice. Well, that's not nice. Oh, now you're gonna lick your hand? You're crazy. Let me see this little girl. You think that's funny? You think that's funny? Yeah, you learning how to laugh? You learning how to laugh? Show me how you laugh. Yeah, laugh for me. Oh! Oh! What are you doing? You holding my hand? Oh. Say hi. Say, Mommy, I miss you. Look at me laughing. Okay, little girl. Let's go read you a book and play, okay? You want to play? Do you want to play? Look at that tongue. You're crazy. Look at that little tongue. Look at that little tongue. Yeah. Can you laugh for me? Yeah. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, I'll see you soon, boo.